Hi, I'm Heath Morrison, founder of HealthSumit. At HealthSumit, we're developing a platform that has the potential to drastically increase transparency and reduce costs in the U.S. healthcare system. It's no secret that the U.S. has one of the most confusing and expensive healthcare systems in the world. It's become a bloated $3 trillion industry that thrives on the fact that patients are forced to pay whatever providers feel like charging them. This leaves patients with a terrible but obvious choice: your money or your life. To make matters worse, most providers only tell you how much treatments are going to cost after you've been treated. Can you think of any other industry that works this way? Imagine flying cross-country and then having to pay whatever the airline decides to charge you after you've landed. And the problems don't stop once you've received your bill. Most medical bills are a maze of codes, jargon, and abbreviations that make it very difficult to find extremely common overcharges and other accidental increases to the bill. Before I get to our solution, I want to tell you about why I founded HealthSumit. This is my granddad. His name was Wade Beal, and he was the best granddad anyone could hope for. He personified patience, kindness, wisdom, wit, and I swear if you'd known him, you would have loved him. At 84, Granddad was diagnosed with a condition called hydrocephalus. It caused dementia and many other terrible issues. In the following years, he received dozens of medical bills. We found out that they had billed him multiple times for the same procedure, for items Medicare had already covered, for things that hadn't even been done. And remember, they were sending these bills to someone they had diagnosed with dementia. Barely a day passes I don't think about my granddad and about the fact that the deplorable billing practices he was subjected to are commonplace in a system that seems to have forgotten the most basic principle of the medical profession: do no harm. The power of the free market could help reduce many of these problems, but there can be no free market without the ability to compare prices or an understanding of what we're buying for those prices. At HealthSumit, we want to bring the healthcare industry into the free market. We're developing a way to let patients check their medical bills for errors and overcharges just by taking a picture. At the same time, we're building a database of costs that healthcare providers have actually charged. This way, we'll be able to show the true costs of healthcare to anyone who wants to see it. If you believe in healthcare transparency, the power of the free market, or just in people's right to know how much something costs before they buy it, please show your support by telling as many of your friends as possible. With your help, we can bring healthcare transparency to everyone. Thank you.